Model 2006 Citroen Relay 1800 TDHDI long wheelbase, body white, tipper mileage 94,432, engine 2,178 cc 2.2 HDIA transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect, headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary: bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.